Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to thank each one of you who subscribed my channel because recently we have completed our 50 subscribers and you guys are supporting me. So I am just sharing my journey and sharing my learnings with you. So this is the part 3 of my solving Excel questions which was given in an interview to me. So now we have this question. Highlight in green where gross sales is more than 10 crore, and the next question is highlight in red where gross sale is less than 1 crore. So let's see how we can do this. First we'll select the data, control shift plus down page, and then we'll go to insert condition. We go to home and then conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. So first we'll do where the sales is greater than 10 crore. We need that data in green fill with. Okay, so we have done the first part of the question, and then next what we want, highlight in red where gross sales is less than. Now we need to do the less than part. So control shift plus down arrow, and then again go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules where we have to do less than. So again we'll put the digits less than 10 crore. Now we want that in red text, then we'll okay. So as you can see that those cells are in red color. So I have solved this question, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channels. I will come along with more questions and more learning experience to share with you. Bye, take care.